Well, the heat and humidity cranked up today, and with that, we have some storms. Let's check in with meteorologist Ray Petelin on another severe thunderstorm warning. Ray.
Yeah, this one does include Greene County and extreme western parts of Monongalia County. And it's for this cluster of storms we were watching earlier in the newscast, or earlier in this hour, that's been moving in from northern West Virginia. And this one is packing some wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour and the potential for some large hail as well, especially as you're starting to get into that really extreme southwest corner of Greene County towards 100. Now, this is moving northeast at 40 miles per hour, and on this track, it leaves us with our severe thunderstorm warning till 6:45 for Greene County and Monongalia County. And it's going to be getting to Waynesburg about 6:45, 6:50-ish. So this one's going to continue that track rather quickly at 40 miles per hour, but with it, damaging winds and the potential for large hail. Now, we had severe thunderstorm warnings with this cluster of storms northern Venango County. Actually, it extends down past just south of Oil City right now, and it's continuing to move northeast at about 30. This still has gusty winds, but up to about 50 miles per hour, which is not considered severe, but it could be very disruptive, and there's some pea-sized hail that's contained within this cluster of storms as well. Also out towards Grove City, we had that rain move through. That's lifting out and moving into Venango County as well. In between is where Pittsburgh is. It's been fairly quiet here. We had a quick shower move through, but there is a severe thunderstorm watch area-wide up until 9 o'clock tonight. And watches mean that there are conditions right for severe weather to develop. Warnings mean, like our warning in Greene and Monongalia counties, warnings mean that it's imminent or happening. So that's the difference between the two. The entire area is under the watch, meaning the conditions are right. And when thunderstorms move in here, they could blow up and become strong to severe, with damaging winds being the biggest threat. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, but most of that activity has been well closer to Lake Erie. Right now, it feels like 91. The actual temperature is 87, but our humidity is elevated. Our dew point's at 69. Anytime your dew point's in the mid to upper 60s, it's awfully humid outside, even though the relative humidity is only at 55%. So actual temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s in most cases, 91 in Greensburg, but most everyone else in the upper 80s. And our dew points in the upper 60s and 70s in most spots. So the humidity is about as high as it gets here. And with that being the case, it's just awfully steamy outside. It's going to stay that way as we go into tonight. We get a little bit of a reprieve, and then it comes back this weekend. So just know the humidity is not going anywhere. With the heat and humidity and these storms starting to drift in here, there is the environment or the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms to develop. And this is going to continue over the next few hours, and we'll see these showers and thunderstorms start to work out of the system after tomorrow morning. But the severe weather threat will end tonight. And into the weekend, we get those temperatures in the low 90s, still very humid, with the better chance for thunderstorms Sunday afternoon. And with the storms on the board now, with storms potentially coming through as we head through the evening, the KDKA weather app is a great tool to have on your mobile device. Interactive radar, interactive futurecast, plus hour-by-hour forecast, and a whole lot more. Search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.